Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to make your messages more fun with stacked and layer emojis? I'll show you how to do it easily on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open your messaging app like iMessage or WhatsApp. Then you tap on the text feed to bring out the keyboard. Then tap on the emoji icon to switch to the emoji keyboard. Tap the first emoji you want to use, then press the return key, which is enter, to move to the next line. Then tap the next emoji. This will stack them on top of each other. If you want to layer emojis side by side or in a creative way, open the Notes app instead. Type your emoji in the Notes app. Use space or tabs to move them around and create layers. Once you are happy with your design, select the emoji, copy them and paste them in your messaging app. Now, just hit the send button and show off your cool emoji art. And that's it guys, you've learned how to stack and layer emojis on your iPhone. Have fun making your messages more exciting. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.